Hey guys, it's Kate with chess.com, and today I want to show you how to turn off key squares or legal moves. So, you have the option of seeing key squares or legal moves in your game if you have the options actually turned on or off. Now you can turn them on or turn them off by going to your settings, boards and pieces, show legal moves. If you have it gray, it means that you will not see it. If you have it green, then it means that these moves will show up on your board with a dot on the places that you are able to actually move your piece. So, once you have that triggered, press the orange button to save your preferences, and you're good to go. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can write us at support@chess.com. Thanks, and have a great day.